Today I'm going to tell you the easiest way to make a question in English. Here we have a sentence. Sammy is playing football in the club. Playing is the verb, right? And is the helping verb. You just need to move is from here and put it in the beginning of the sentence. As simple as that. Now you made the question. Is Sammy playing football in the club? And don't forget to put the question mark in the end. And the answer could be yes, he is, or no, he isn't. What if you want to ask about football? Simply remove football from the sentence and add what in the beginning. This is the question. What is Sammy playing in the club? And the answer is football. Okay, what if I want to ask about the place in the club? Easy peasy. Do the same thing. Remove in the club from the sentence and put where in the beginning. That's it. You made the question. Where is Sammy playing football? And the answer is in the club. Have you ever seen grammar easy like that before? Now my question to you. Who can change this sentence into a question? I want you to make two questions. One with who and one with what. Let me see your answers in the comments. Thank you for watching.